Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your pie chart in Google Docs. Select insert. I'm just going to select chart and I'm going to select pie. Now, once this has been inserted, as you can see, you can't really double click or do anything to edit it. So to edit it, select the pie chart, select the three dots, and then select open source. And this is where you're basically going to edit the pie chart. So here there's team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. This is where you can change the text here. Maybe this is like, can I change? Okay, it's fine. Sushi, pizza, if I can just type that. Tacos, and let's add in noodles. And here maybe the people who like sushi, there's like 60%. I love sushi, sorry. And for a pizza, 20, and for, oh my gosh, I need to divide this like evenly. Hold on. For tacos, it's also, okay, it's 25. How much do I have left? I'm really bad at counting. 20, 55. Oh, wait, no, that's 45. I have 5 left. I think that's, okay, I'm bad at counting. Sorry, and then I'm just going to close that, and then here you're just going to select update, and voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Let me see if we can change the points scored option. I don't know where I can change that actually. But oh well, I hope it was helpful. Yeah, click the thanks button if you haven't done that already. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.